Hi everyone, I'm Khushi from Propel Guru, a digital marketing company dedicated to creating a memorable and enriching digital experience. Today we are going to talk about go live with 3 users while live room on Instagram. Instagram recently announced that they are launching the live room feature in India, which will allow users to add up 3 profiles during the live session. Well, this feature is an extension of live feature within Instagram camera page that allows 2 users to start a live session accordingly. The company explained that with the upcoming features, users could add 3 profiles during the live at a later stage as well. Live Room are coming out through an OTA update which will be coming up on Instagram in few days. Instagram, which is owned by Facebook, said that primarily tests for live rooms were done in India and is the first nation to roll out this feature broadly. According to this company, the new feature will help professional and upcoming creators to rely on the social media platform during the pandemic. As per the statistics, live views grew by 60% in India on a week-on-week basis in March. Thus, the company is hoping that Live Room will see a favorable engagement after its release. Instagram has already completed the initial testing with Indian-based creators, which includes Manav Chhabra, Sareen Bharwani and Ruhina Anand Khira. Ajit Mohan, Facebook Indian Vice President, stated that the creators at the forefront of creating and pushing culture on Instagram. Thus, the company is helping them to express in a better way by continually upgrading their application. He also said that live has become an individual feature to bring all the friends, families and audience together with the current social distancing norm. Recently, Instagram came up with a feature called Reels, and with the launch of Live Room, the country is playing a vital role in designing the future of the product. The company is stating that the live room will help increase audience engagement and is also focusing on safety measures. To avail the upcoming feature, user can simply open the camera on Instagram and choose the live option. To add more guests to the live session, users can also tap on the camera or room icon and manually add viewers they want to.